How to customize your Threads profile. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over here to your account page and then click on this edit profile option. From in there, you can see your name, but take note that your name as well as your surname is actually linked to Instagram. So bio is not linked, so you can head over and import bio from Instagram, or you can also go and then get your own bio from there. For example, I want to remove this part right here with the link, so I'll just head over and then remove that from in here. And then we have now in here a new bio, so just click on this check option. For this one, you can also add your own link. Just click on it right here and then just click on check once you're done. And you can also show your Instagram badge and you can also enable private profile. So these are the best that you can do with customizing your Threads profile, but you can also change up your icon if you want. Just click on done once you're done with this process and you should be good to go. So that's how you customize your Threads profile. Hope we help.